How would you like to get paid to use Facebook? Well, thanks to a recent announcement from Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg and Microsoft's own Bill Gates, getting paid to use Facebook at home is now a reality. Facebook has just released a program that will allow you to earn an income with nothing more than a computer, a tablet, or just a smartphone with an internet connection. This new program allows you to be paid weekly by check, direct deposit, or even PayPal. Stay tuned for more details and listen carefully. Even during this global recession, Facebook is thriving. Every day it grows as more and more users and businesses sign up for the first time. That success translates into a whopping $220 billion business, and they're expanding even further and enlisting your help to do it. Recently, Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg met to discuss economic stimulation, and the result of that meeting is the Facebook Cash Kit. This kit includes everything you need to get started, and it's included with your application fee. Zuckerberg has invested heavily and is interested only in those candidates that are willing to have a vested interest as well. You can harness the power of two of the most profitable and wealthy companies in history and bring in a steady paycheck week after week. Before we look into what kind of income you can make, some have made over $5,000 their first month. Let's take a look at the qualifications for this position. You must be 18 years old or older. There's no age limit. You must have a high-speed internet connection. You must have a computer, tablet, or smartphone capable of using the Facebook website. You must be available to work for at least 3 hours per week. You pick the days and times, and you can work as many extra hours as you want. You must have a Facebook profile or be willing to set one up. If you meet those criteria, then congratulations. You can reserve your spot today and work with the fastest growing company on the internet. Do you know how to post on Facebook? Do you know how to like a post? Then guess what? Your welcome kit will walk you through everything else you need to learn to turn your Facebook skills into instant cash money. There's no selling or telemarketing involved. You can work at your own pace and do not need any prior experience. To be considered for this position, you must submit an application along with your application fee. The application is a short questionnaire that confirms the qualifications I mentioned a moment ago. If a position is still available in your area, you'll receive your welcome kit and can get started right away. If there are no more positions available in your area, you'll be refunded and can try again in 30 days. This work from home program has just recently been announced and positions are filling quickly. Each area has a certain number of available spots based on population. Once they're gone, they're gone. So submit your application today and start working right away.